understand Turnitin Digital Receipt or get all the information in one page rather than searching the whole Turnitin plagiarism report. This is the one page receipt where all the information are given. Let me show you this receipt from Turnitin received your paper, and here are the all the informations. For example, who is the author, for example, from where you have checked the file, this is the your name and the assignment title, from which slot you have checked your file. For example, I have checked in the slot 4, and then submission title, the title that was given while uploading the file. Let me show you. Here is the slot 4 where I have checked the file, and this is the title where is the mention on the report, and the file name, that was the name saved in my laptop or in my device. This was the file name. Both can be different. For example, you have saved file from other name and uploading from a different name, and the overall file size, and then how many pages are there in your report, the page count, and then word count, total how many words are there in your plagiarism report, and then character count, how many characters are there. And below that there is the date when your file was submitted at Turnitin, and then at the last your submission ID. This is the submission ID, and this is required when you after uploading, if you want to locate your file, this is the must, the thing you need for locating your file. And make sure all the informations are given on this digital receipt. You can understand your file with just one page study and whole understanding to you.